In Act 4, Scene 4 of Hamlet by William Shakespeare, the narrative continues as Prince Fortinbras of Norway reaches near Elsinore with his army. Upon arrival, Fortinbras sends a captain from his army to enter the Danish castle to convey greetings to King Claudius and remind him of the permission granted to Fortinbras's forces for passing through Danish territories. He makes it clear that they are willing to comply with any further requests from Claudius. After giving these instructions, Fortinbras returns to his encampment, leaving the captain to carry out the task. At this moment, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern appear, escorting Hamlet. He notices the Norwegian army and inquires about their purpose and destination from the captain. The captain explains that they are on their way to Poland under Fortinbras's command, but confesses that the piece of territory they seek to claim is practically worthless. Hamlet is taken aback by the revelation that such vast efforts and potential for loss of life are being expended over an inconsequential piece of land. After the captain leaves to complete his mission at Elsinore, Hamlet is left to his reflections, while Rosencrantz and Guildenstern move on. In one of his profound soliloquies, Hamlet contemplates the actions of Fortinbras and his army. He is struck by the irony and futility of their campaign for such a trivial gain. This encounter provokes him to reflect on his own inertia in avenging his father's murder. Hamlet contrasts himself with Fortinbras, noting that Fortinbras's willingness to engage in conflict for a negligible cause highlights Hamlet's own failure to act on a far more justified grievance. He criticizes himself and those who do not take action when necessary, comparing them to mere beasts. Hamlet concludes that action, even if it leads to bloodshed, is necessary to give meaning to one's endeavors. This realization reignites his determination to take revenge for his father's death, viewing his prior inaction as unbefitting of his purpose and calling. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and Jeffrey Epstein didn't kill himself.